Meet Nanit, the only monitor that puts your baby's sleep development in your hands without a wearable. That's because Nanit is the most advanced nursery camera ever. It learns how your baby moves and tells you if your baby is fussy, awake, or sleeping like a dream. All so your baby and you can get a better night's sleep. Nanit's unique bird's eye view delivers stunning HD live views, zoom, and best-in-class night vision. And it even works when the internet is down. Advanced sleep analysis goes way beyond the basics to show you parent visits and summarize each night. Compare your baby's sleep with healthy averages and see improvements happen right before your eyes. And only Nanit provides actionable guidance right in your app, tailored to your baby. Our sleep coaching tips are based on your baby's unique sleeping patterns. Every tip is based on real observations made by Nanit's smart algorithms. Real-time motion and sound notifications keep you in the know, even when you're using other apps. Nanit automatically captures special moments with fun, shareable milestones, so you can celebrate big days and everyday achievements. Take Nanit anywhere, from the bassinet to grandma's house, with the optional multi-stand. And with Amazon Alexa, you can get the story of your baby's sleep just by asking. We did all this and more to bring happy days and restful nights to your whole family.
Is the baby sleeping peacefully, or is something wrong? It's a question every new parent can relate to. That's why we created the Owlet Smart Sock to watch over your baby while they sleep. The Owlet Smart Sock tracks your baby's heart rate and oxygen levels using clinically proven pulse oximetry, and then sends this information to a base station via Bluetooth. The base station glows green to let you know everything is okay, but is designed to notify you with lights and sounds if something appears to be wrong. Parents can see real-time heart rate and oxygen levels and receive direct notifications to their smartphone using Owlet's app. It's a smarter way to check on your baby and a better way to know they're okay. Owlet. Rest assured.
The Safety First Grow & Go is a 3-in-1 car seat designed to help protect your baby from infancy up to 100 pounds, changing and growing to match your child. It can be installed in 3 different positions: rear-facing, forward-facing, and a belt position booster, and can easily transition as your baby grows. The Grow & Go is designed with real-world use in mind and has a unique, easy off-machine washable pad to make cleaning easy. Just pull it off and throw it in the washing machine. It's designed to provide extra legroom in the front seat when installed rear-facing without sacrificing protection. And it features easy in and easy out belt hook technology to make buckling in a snap. The Grow & Go by Safety First, a car seat built to grow.